We're making food today, and we're making we're making pork chops.
We're going to be making fried pork chops. It's on you, son. Show them how you do it. What are you doing?
I'm putting the seasoning on the pork chop.
What else is on the pork chop?
Mustard and some other seasoning.
"8 years old, cooking in the kitchen." Might want to put some more seasoning on it.
We just gotta go like that. Okay. Like that. Now we gotta lay it flat for that. Like that. And pull it back
Very gentle.
very gently. We pick it up. Go like that. Flat.
And then what do you do?
Then
Wait
you
a minute.
put your hand in the air.
You gotta
Oh, then you gotta push it.
drop it down for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Then you gotta
Then you
put
get
your
these
hands in.
beauties.
And then you have to put your hands in there.
Wash your hands.
Then you have to go over in your towel. And you gotta restart again. But we're not done, Mom.